Hey, so join me for some behind the scene trials from our New York style cookies. So this is our regular chocolate chunk cookies. I know you are excited about the chocolate filled and Nutella filled. Wait till the end. So let's see the texture. It looks perfect from outside as well as from inside. You can see chocolate chunks inside. So next I'm going to show you the chocolate fill. Will it have the flowing chocolate consistency? Let's check out. So this is our chocolate filled cookie. See the texture from outside. Now let's break it and see if we have the center with chocolate filling. See the center, how beautiful this looks. So here I have used milk chocolate. You can see the chocolate flowing consistency. It is not at all hard. It is a proper flowing consistency. Next, let's see the Nutella. How does it looks? So these are just from our trial sessions where we try different things. So let's break it apart. Oh wow, this is also flowing, right? So you will learn this in our upcoming workshop. DM to join. The fees will increase after the launch. So if you want to learn this, DM to join. By the way, all are eggless. Thank you.